Okay, how's it going, YouTube? This is my 2015 Camaro 2SS, affectionately known as the Midnight Ride, and today we're doing an exhaust tone video for you. I hope it comes out really well with this GoPro. So we've got MBRP Muffler Delete black powder coated axle back pipes. They're awesome. They sounded great. I love them, but when I was under there doing the work, I saw the factory H pipe with resonators, and I noticed that there was a big dent in it from the factory, and I didn't like that because that restricts airflow, and you can see that in my video from my Camaro introduction. But when I saw that, and it's an H pipe, of course, I would prefer an X pipe to an H pipe. I saw that and I thought, well, it can't hurt since I'm deleting the mufflers. Let's delete the resonators, and instead of an H pipe, we're going to do an X pipe. So we did that. Super easy install, and the car sounds great. So I didn't do a before video of the exhaust tones, so I apologize for that, but I'm sure you can look at other people's videos that have exhaust work done to their Camaros and hear a before. It sounds like any other car in the world, really. Okay, so this is going to be a cold start and a couple of revs after it warms up a little bit, and hope you enjoy it. There you have it. That's our cold start and revs with an X pipe resonator delete, as well as a muffler delete MBRP black powder coated pipes. I love it. Sounds great. It sounds even better on the road under load. A lot of people wondered about drone when you're on the highway, and this car, I'm doing 70 down the highway and I can hold a conversation no problem. I can listen to the radio no problem. I mean, there's no drone. The exhaust note is there, but it's not like a drone. And so I really love the setup that I have, which is what's kind of keeping me from thinking about long tube headers. But again, I'd like to open it up a little bit with some high flow cats and long tube headers and just kind of see what kind of performance gains I could get from it. But I really like the current exhaust, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. So there it is. Again, anybody who has any questions or would like to see anything, please leave it in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But that's it. That's our exhaust setup currently on the Midnight Ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.